I am Donald J. Trump, born in New York City, a builder, a leader. Today, your president, my story is unique. From business to Oval Office, a journey of power, a lesson for everyone. I face big challenges. I make tough decisions. I fight for America. I always push forward. You will hear my rules. 10 simple, strong lessons. They guide my actions. They can guide your life. Each rule helped me to achieve great things, to win tough fights, to lead a great nation. These rules are powerful. They are for your life, for your own success, for your own power. Learn English with me. Understand my words. Feel the strong message. Grow confident and bold. Get ready to learn. From my real experiences, my journey is your guide. Let's start this adventure. What lesson will resonate? Which one will you love? Tell me in the comments. Let's begin this journey. When I became president, the challenges were huge. Global issues present. No time to be a stooge. I looked at our nation. It needed big fixes, not small hesitation, just powerful mixes. Trade deals were unfair. Our borders were weak. I felt it in the air, a new strength to seek. Some said, be careful. Go slow, Donald. But I was full. A vision, bold and tall. My mind thinks differently. Always on a grand scale. I act very promptly. Success will not fail. Rule number 10 is clear. Think big, act bigger. Remove all your fear. Be a strong, fast trigger. Do not accept limits. Dream beyond today. Your future truly commits to a powerful way. I built a strong economy. I created many jobs. This was not an anomaly. No more small snobs. My vision for America, always the greatest. A true political eureka. The very best, the latest. So, think huge thoughts. Then make huge moves. Win all your fights. Prove what really improves. News media always talks. They say many things. Sometimes they make mocks. False stories it brings. My message is direct. I speak to the people. My words they reflect. Climbing a steep steeple. I use Twitter a lot. My voice is heard there. The news they have got. I clarify with care. My own words are key. They reach everyone. My truth all can see. The real work is done. I counter false stories. I state facts clearly. No more fake glories. They listen sincerely. This is rule number 9. Master the narrative. Make your own voice shine. Be strong. Be active. Control what is said. Do not let others speak. Lead with your head. The truth you must seek. Your story is yours. Tell it with great pride. Open all your doors, nothing to hide. So, speak with great power. Let your message ring. In your finest hour, your own truth you bring. Being president means fights. Every single day. Many wrong insights. Blocking my true way. Critics are always loud. They attack my plans. They stand in a crowd with their silly demands. I never run away from any tough fight. I face them all every day with all of my might. Some say, ignore them, let it just pass. But I confront them, show true power and class. I speak my mind clear. I hit back so strong. They learn to fear where they went wrong. This is rule number 8. Confront adversity directly. Do not hesitate. Face it perfectly. Do not hide your head. When problems appear, deal with them instead. Conquer every fear. Stand up for yourself. Fight for what is right. Show all your true wealth. Shine your winning light. I always stand firm. For our nation's good, I fulfill my term as everyone should. So, when trouble starts, meet it with power. Show them your true smarts in your finest hour. My name is on buildings. It is known worldwide. It means true dealings, with nothing to hide. When I entered politics, my brand was already strong. No silly tricks, just where I belong. People know my style. They know what I fight for. My image, mile by mile, opens every door. I always am myself. I do not change for others. It is my true wealth. Like powerful brothers, my rallies are massive. People love to come. My message is impressive. A winning drum. This is rule number 7. Brand is everything. It sends you to heaven. A powerful thing. Build your own image. Make it truly strong. Leave a great message where you always belong. What do people think when they hear your name? It makes them truly blink, playing a big game. Be consistent always in what you say and do. Through all your days, your brand shines anew. So, craft your own story. Let your true self shine. Reach for real glory. Make your mark. Define. As president, many experts, they give lots of advice. Long reports, big excerpts. Sometimes it's not nice. They tell me what to do, based on old systems, but my gut feeling is true. Solving complex problems. I listen to everyone. I consider their views. But the final decision, one, my instinct always renews. Sometimes I decide fast. It feels right inside. My choices always last, with nothing to hide. People questioned me often. Why did he do that? My resolve does not soften. My intuition is a fact. This is rule number 6. Trust your instincts. No need for tricks. Just powerful distincts. Your inner voice speaks. Listen to its call. It truly seeks to help you stand tall. Do not overthink things. Sometimes just decide. Your gut often sings, with nothing to hide. I made bold moves for our country's good. My instinct always proves exactly as it should. So, feel what is right. Then act with great speed. Shine your inner light. Plant your winning seed. As president, I face leaders from many, many lands. They are tough pleaders with their own demands. We talk about trade and global security. Big deals must be made with true maturity. I go into talks with a clear, strong goal. No hesitant walks. I take full control. I do not give ground. I fight for our country. My voice is profound for America's bounty. Sometimes I walk out from a bad, unfair deal. No room for doubt. My strong will they feel. This is rule number 5. Negotiate hard, win big. Keep your dreams alive. Pull a winning figure. Do not be afraid to ask for what you need. No deals poorly made. Plant a winning seed. Demand the best terms. Do not settle for less. Weather all the storms. Aim for true success. I changed old agreements, made them better, fair, with strong inducements, showing I truly care. So, when you negotiate, be firm, be very strong. Do not hesitate. Where you belong. As president, the world watches. Every single day, my posture matches what I need to convey. Leaders must be strong. They cannot show fear. My message is long for all to hear. When I meet other nations, I stand very tall. No weak hesitations. Ready to conquer all. I speak with clear force. My words are precise. This is my course. A winning advice. Some people want me to be softer, more gentle. But that is not me. My strength is essential. This is rule number 4. Project Unwavering Strength. Close every weak door. Go to any great length. Show no sign of doubt. Be firm, very bold. Know what you are about. A powerful story told. Your presence can matter. It commands respect. No chatter, no scatter. Your power you project. I protect our country with strength, not weakness. For freedom and bounty, a true act of sleekness. So, stand tall and proud. Let your power shine. Away from the crowd, your true self define. Many people tried to put me in a box. My path they denied, avoiding all their shocks. They said, he cannot win. He is not a politician. But I began to spin a new, strong position. I did things differently. I spoke my own mind, not traditionally. A new way to find. I did not follow rules of old political games. They used their old tools, calling me bad names. But I proved them wrong, again and again. My will is so strong, through joy and through pain. This is rule number 3. Defy expectations. Just let yourself be, beyond all frustrations. Do not let others tell you what is real. Break all the borders, show them how you feel. Surprise your doubters. Do the unexpected. Silence all the shouters. Your path, perfected. I lead our country now, against all the odds. I show them all how, ignoring their gods. So, be unpredictable. Show them your true might. Truly incredible. Shine your brightest light. When I took office, many systems were broken, like a silent sacrifice. Words were never spoken. Some people said, good enough. Just maintain the status quo. But I am always tough. I help our country grow. I demand the best results for the American people. No more weak insults, climbing every steeple. We worked very hard to make things better. No broken old shard, sending a strong letter. I do not accept average. I push for top performance. My will is truly savage, with no small conformance. This is rule number 2. Never settle for less. Always demand new. Reach for true success. Set your standards high. Do not accept low. Reach for the sky. Let your greatness show. Always strive for more. Push beyond your limit. Unlock every door, every single minute. I always want to win. For America's future, let good times begin. a powerful stature. So, aim for greatness now. Do not stop trying. Show the world how. Your ambition is flying. My entire life has been about winning. Through struggle and strife. A new day beginning. I ran for president. Many said, no chance. But I was persistent. I took my big stance. I fought very hard. For the American people. My resolve was my guard, climbing every steeple. We worked day and night to make our country strong. We won the big fight where we belong. Winning is not just luck. It takes tough work. It takes true pluck. No time for a jerk. This is rule number 1. Always win. The job must be done. Let the greatness begin. Do not accept defeat. Do not give up hope. Make your journey sweet. Learn how to cope. Fight with all your might. For your goals, for your dreams, shine your brightest light. Like a winning team, I always aim for victory. For our nation's good, it's my true history. Just as it should. So, go out and win. In all you do, let the success begin. For me and for you. What did you learn from President Trump's story? Which rule touched your heart the most? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more easy English stories. Thank you so much for watching. We're happy to be part of your journey. And always remember, think big, act bigger, always win.